If you have been looking for a fast and healthy snack to make, we have really got the recipe for you today. Nutrition educator Lynn Matava tells us how to make a healthy snack using dates. Check it out.
If you're looking for a healthy holiday snack, I've got you covered here. This is a very old-fashioned snack, and what we're going to make today is some stuffed sugared dates. When I was a little kid at my grandparents' house, these were always in containers all over the house. They would put them out when they put out cookie trays, and I always looked forward to having them. And I especially liked when I got older and found out that it was something my grandfather learned to make after his older sister had gone off to college. She came home and taught him these. So it's just a long tradition in our family. They've been being made for at least 80 years now, which is pretty cool. And it's really easy. All you have to do is you drop some, you split open the date. They come from the store dried like this, or usually in the dried fruit section. And if they've been pitted, they kind of split open. And I just tuck a couple of walnuts in there. And then just to make them a little festive, you can toss them in to a little bit of sugar. You don't have to do the sugar part. Another great option would be to toss them into some shredded coconut. That would be fun, especially if you can find the unsweetened stuff. Then you're not even adding in, any extra sweetener. But not much is sticking to these. These are a little on the dry side, but sometimes when they're a little stickier, a little bit more sugar sticks to them. But dates are so sweet on their own that you really don't need to add anything to them. And then the great thing is that they're full of all kinds of vitamins and minerals and stuff that's good for us. But they're really, really sweet, and so they're a nice holiday treat. They look really nice thrown, like I said, if you have them on with some holiday treats, or they're even really great to throw onto a cheese board if you're making a holiday cheese board. But whatever you're going to throw them onto, you can whip this together and have a nice little pile of them or container of them done in a matter of minutes, which is a really great thing because we're all very busy this time of the year. So I hope you try these, and I hope you enjoy.